Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can convert zip file to the actual files inside it. So here you can see I have a zip file on Windows 11 and converting it to the normal files or unzipping it is very easy in Windows 11. You can just right click on it and here you will see extract all. Just click on extract all and now you will see this. So this is the folder where everything inside this zip file will be extracted. So that is inside desktop and inside sample. So what we can do is we can call this anything else. Let's call it my files and just click on extract. So as you can see, my files is created and we have this sample one inside it. So if I close this, as you can see, my files folder is created. And if I go inside it, you will see the folder name of the zip file, and then inside it will be the actual contents of the zip file. So that zip file had 4 files inside it and we have now extracted them. So this is how you can easily extract zip files in Windows 11. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.